Welcome to our comprehensive guide on unlocking Verizon phones in 2025. Discover the latest policies and how they can benefit you. Unlocking your phone provides you the freedom to choose your carrier, saving you money and ensuring you have the best service. To be eligible for unlocking, your device must meet certain criteria. Let's take a look at what those are. Follow these simple steps to unlock your Verizon phone. It's easier than you think. Encountering issues during the unlocking process? Here are some common problems and how to troubleshoot them. Not all phones work with every carrier. Let's discuss how to verify device compatibility. You have options. Explore the differences between unlocking directly through Verizon and using third-party services. After unlocking your phone, follow these tips to ensure everything runs smoothly. Let's address some frequently asked questions that many users have about unlocking their Verizon phones. In conclusion, unlocking your Verizon phone is a straightforward process that can lead to significant benefits. We hope this guide has helped.